Okay, let's move to this experiment. Though the student has already done this. Okay, the experiment is about the okay height of form is given for different like the first one, second one, and the third one. Celery, apple, and the potato. Okay. Now you have to make table. Yes. Okay. What I've told you. Wait. What is given in the question? What is given in the question? Let's move to the question. Okay. Then measure it according to that. Whatever is given in the question, we have to follow that. By the way, I recommend that you should go for millimeters. Like you should write millimeters instead of centimeters. I would recommend that because that is the standard thing, na? The standard value. Okay. Yes. Then you can convert. Otherwise, give it in millimeters. No, it's not given in the question. It's not given. Oh, wait. This is the volume. This is the volume. Just mention the plant species and then height of form. Okay. One more thing. The unit should be written once in the first row. Okay. Height of form. Okay. Whatever you are calculating, write that, put an oblique, and then write the unit. This is how we do it. Okay. For example, if we are measuring the concentration, let's say we are writing for concentration, what we are going to do here, we write concentration of solution. Okay, now we have to give unit, put an oblique and write the unit. Like if the unit is mole per cubic decimeter, we would write like this. Whatever. Yes, unit should be written after an oblique. 19 19 millimeter. Okay. Okay, I don't know. The student has calculated 21. Okay, it depends on the printing. It depends on the printing. Okay, so don't worry about that. Maybe her printing is better. This is the only answer that I have. It depends on printing, so don't worry about this. Okay. Till 23. 1 till 23. Okay. Yes, then it's okay. That's why that's what I'm saying. Whatever is your like printing area, just use that. So, it's okay. It's perfectly all right. Whatever is your printing area, choose that. Choose that. Don't worry about the like reading. Okay. Hmm. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe she had an enlarged image. This can be the reason, right? If it's 19 mm for you, it's perfectly all right. Yes. Yes. height of form. Okay, it's written in the question. Look, height of form, right? That's why she has written height of form. And the plant species is given in the question. These are the plant species, right? So we write plant species and height of form. Exactly. Oblique and then millimeter. You can use centimeter as well, but I would recommend use millimeter. Yes. Which one is most active? Yes. Then potato and then apple. Okay. Suggest why the three plant tissue were crushed before adding the hydrogen peroxide. Why they're crushed? To break open cells, correct. Next one is suggest why suspensions were stirred before adding the hydrogen peroxide solution. Good. For even distribution. One variable that was controlled. Like, okay, that should be constant. No, it is correct. I have her answer is incorrect, so I have written whatever is given in the question. You have to write that. So in the question, volume of hydrogen peroxide is kept constant. So they have clearly asked one variable that was controlled in this investigation. This was a mistake made by the student that she needs to correct. Okay. Okay. So just two reasons why repeating the investigation would give the student more confidence in result. Okay. Reliable. Correct. Okay. Okay, okay, let's move to graph. Okay. So whenever you have to make graph, choose the correct axis. Whatever the correct axis you want to choose, choose that. Like if there are five readings, yes, yes, you can. It would be fine. Okay. Now just look over here. I've given her 1 mark. That's a good question. Let's see what I've given written in the remarks graph. Line should be straight, single, and dark. Lines are not like single. There is doubling of line over here and here. Okay, so there should be a single straight line. That's why. Because she has chosen correct axis, everything was correct. Okay. And please, please write the units for this one. Very important. Very, very important. Label your axis. Label your axis, choose the correct one. Okay, there are five. So you can go for five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But the second one is still 20, above than 20. So she has chosen 5 for one bigger box. That is correct. One big box is equal to 5. Then it would be easier to calculate. Yes, this is the only logical thing. Yes, time would be same. Time would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Y-axis, total volume of solution. Content, yes, it's content written in the question. Yes, the axis should be labeled properly, that is 1 mark. Hmm. Hmm. Let me make it bigger. Look over here. This is at 0, it's 4. Okay. Then at 1, it's 11. Hmm. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Now here is a problem. I identify your problem. This one box is equal to 0 0.5 then. 0 0.5, 1. 1.5, 2. 2.5, 3. 3.5, 4. 4.5, 5. Because these are 10 boxes, divide by them 5. Each box is of zero point 0.5. Yes, we have to make a single dot on the line of 0. Yes, yes. No, dot is better. Okay, she has done one mistake. Let me tell you what is her bigger mistake. Let me tell you, she made one mistake. When she made a straight line at 20.5, okay, then she draw a line above it for which I have deducted marks. The line cannot go above 20.5. Cannot. Sorry. Yes. Okay, correct. Oh, why? Okay, correct. Correct. Please send me this because I need to mark this. Send me a clear photo for this one, okay? A straight line. Yes. A straight line from x-axis and y-axis. A very straight line. Yes. Then between 4 to 5 minutes the value remain constant, which is 25.5. And this is a description where you give the values. The explanation mean you have to give the reason why. What can be the reason for the constant value? What can be the reason for constant value? Why it's becoming constant? Okay. or the substrate get used up. Okay. This is a diagram that she has made and which is correct. She has made a bigger one than this. It's bigger. The only thing she did wrong was mentioning of these axes. You don't need to mention these axes. No, no. No, don't write anything. Yes, yes, you need to select proportion on the diagram over here, not on the diagram that you are making. Make a proportion of what diagram they have given. Yes, 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 correct. Huh, yes, you can. Just calculate the length of A and B. How many millimeters? Okay, it's correct. Perfectly fine. Okay. Send me the calculations. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. By the way, she got full marks in this one. Yes. Okay. Now you have to make a graph, send me a photo, and write this experiment, and then send me before of this question. Okay. So this is all about this paper.